What's up, you guys? Back again with another video, but before I start, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment down below this video. In tonight's video, I want to share an app that I use, designing templates for my YouTube channel, my channel art, my business Instagram. By the way, I would put that down in the description. Follow me on my social media. I've said it like a million times. I'm lame as hell, but I need some followers. So yeah, so the first app I use is called Canva, but I may be pronouncing it wrong, but I think that's how you pronounce it, Canva. It is an app. If you guys never heard of it, or if you have, it's totally free. It's no cost. At first I was using this app called Fiverr. If you've heard of Fiverr, comment this video and let me know. Be like, hey, I've used it before. Or if you've never heard of Canva, comment down below this video. Be like, hey, I've never heard of it. What is it? At first I was using Fiverr. That's where it has graphic designers, freelance designers. You pay them to create a logo, a template, business cards, your resume, etc. You pay them to create what you need done, which isn't bad. But if you're broke like me and you're like, listen, I don't have money to pay somebody else, I would rather do it myself, Canva is an app you can most definitely use. It is free, and you can create your own logos, you can create your own resume, business cards, designs, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, etc. It is totally free. But I will say, if you want the upgraded version, or if you want like the premium version, it will cost, I think, $9.99 or $4.99. I'm not 100% sure, but that's if you want the premium version. But if you just want to make a quick design for yourself, or a logo, or if you're just starting a business just like myself and you want to dabble in that, I would say most definitely check that app out. It's called Canva, and it's totally free. Or if you've been using Fiverr and you would like to switch and do it yourself, you're more than welcome to. This is not a video to bash Fiverr at all, but yeah, don't forget to check that app out. And also I want to thank everybody that's been supporting me. Honestly, I've been really shocked by the positive feedback that I've been getting. Like, I'm really new into this YouTube stuff. I'm really new at becoming comfortable with talking to a camera, but I would say I really do appreciate the love and support that I am getting. And yeah, don't forget to continue to subscribe. And I'm glad that people are taking away information from my videos, and I appreciate the love and support, and thank you. So yeah, that was this quick little video. I'm gonna try my best to upload a lot more. Like, I'm so sorry, but a lot of things in my personal life, like, it's been a lot. But I will try my best to upload as much as I can. Also, I do have another YouTube channel. It's Chantel Brianna, and most definitely check that out. That YouTube channel is going to be a lot of, basically me talking about myself, a lot of things that you didn't know that you'll find out. Again, thank you for the love and support, and I will check you guys later. See ya.